Welcome to this online Floriday workshop on using the catalog prices. In this video, we explain how to offer your supply via catalog prices and how you create more flexibility and customer-specific offers. Before you can get started with the catalog prices, you must ensure that you have created items in your catalog and your delivery conditions and price groups have already been completed. If you have not already done so, first watch the videos about the catalog, delivery conditions, and price groups. Now let's get started. Let's start filling out the weekly lists. Go to the menu on the left and click on Supply, then go to Direct Sales and then Catalog Prices. You will now see an overview of all your items that you have created in the catalog. Under Number of Pieces, enter how many you have per week. When determining the number, keep in mind that there is no standard countdown. If you want to know how to set the weekly counter, click on the question mark in the green bar. This will open the Help Center and you will find more information about the various functions on this page. When creating price groups, you can set per price group whether you want to work with a manual or calculated price. You will see on the screen that you have to enter a base price. If you have opted for calculated price groups, you will immediately see the price appear under these price groups after entering the base price. If you want to know how this price was determined, click on the calculator next to the price. A pop-up screen will appear with the calculation. You now have to enter the manually set price groups yourself. You can complete this per week, but also for future weeks. Use the availability slider to indicate whether the products are available for the current and next week. You can adjust the availability status at any time using the slider. After clicking Save, the prices are transferred directly to My Shop, the Explorer, and can be read by buyers. To work more efficiently with weekly lists, you can filter and select multiple items. This allows you to quickly make multiple adjustments at the same time. Use the search function at the top left to quickly find a specific item. You can type the name or item code. In addition, you can use different filters by clicking on the funnel. A menu will appear where you can choose from different categories such as availability, stock location, and characteristics. You can also select multiple articles to make the same changes. After selecting the items, a green bar will appear. Click on Quick Actions and then choose what you want to adjust. If the same prices apply to multiple items, you can group them. This is only possible in a future week. Click the right arrow to switch weeks and then select the articles you want to group. In the green bar, click on Group. The items are now grouped and the price can be entered for all items at once. If you want to adjust the numbers, click on the photo next to the grouping. A menu opens and you can now indicate how many pieces you have per item. You can then close the menu again. If your prices have not changed compared to previous weeks, it is possible to copy them. This will save time. At the top of the screen, you can click on Copy Week. When you do this, you will be asked whether you want to overwrite or empty existing data. If you want this, check the correct choice. If you do not want this, click on Copy Data and the prices are filled. It is also possible to select a specific week by clicking on the down arrow next to Copy Week. Then select the desired week to use the data from that week. With forward prices, you show your customers what the prices will be. These prices can be adjusted until the weekly lists close. By selecting items and then clicking on Forward Prices in the green bar, you can quickly set the quantities and prices for a longer period. Set the number of pieces and prices and then select the weeks you want to use in the week bar at the top of the screen. If you select multiple items, you can do this for multiple items at the same time. This saves you some time. It may happen that you want your customers to be able to view the expected prices in advance, but you do not want to be stuck with the price you have now entered. You can set the order period for this. You do this by clicking on the sprocket in the gray bar. When direct is checked, the customer can order in advance for the price that has now been set. If you choose Custom, you can set how many weeks before the delivery week the customer can order. Promos add flexibility to your list prices, allowing you to make exceptions in quantities and prices for specific customers. You can do this for 1 week or for a longer period. It is only possible to create a promo in a coming week. Go to a coming week and click on the 0 at the end of the line for the article for which you want to create the promo. The menu appears and you can now set which week the promo should apply to. If you want the promo to be valid for longer, check Set Promo for a longer period and then select the end week. If you want the customer to also see that it is a promo, check Show as Promo. Then click Add under Customers to select the customer or customers to whom the promo applies. Find the right customer by entering the company name or buyer number in the search bar and click on the line. Once you have selected all customers, click Confirm. You can now enter the number of pieces, prices, and purchase unit. If the price includes transport or stickers, do not forget to check this box. Click Save and your promo has been created. For even more overview, you can work with hidden articles, and the off-season notification allows you to better deal with seasonal offers. By clicking on the 3 dots next to an item, you can choose Hide from Catalog Prices. This will cause the article to disappear from your list. If you want to put the article back, click on Hidden Trade Items. You will see all the articles you have hidden, and by clicking on the line and then confirming, the article will appear again in the list. If you want to do this for multiple items at the same time, select them all and then click on Hide from Catalog Prices in the green bar. The off-season label appears when your items in the item catalog have a different availability period than the week we are currently in. What we just showed you contains the basis of the catalog prices in Floriday. We have shown how to fill in weekly lists and forward prices and use useful functions such as filtering, grouping, and copying prices. Thanks for watching and good luck optimizing your list price offering. Do you have any questions? Please feel free to contact our Floriday support or search for your question in the Help Center.